If this patch doesn't work, I'll tell you at the end of the video. Like and subscribe.
So this is a video that I never really intended to make. I didn't even really do any audio, so I'm doing a voiceover. So what happened is I dropped something in my sink. I can't remember what it was, something heavy, and basically it put a hole and a crack in the bottom of my plastic sink. And I don't normally fix things in this way, like I would do a proper fix on this, but it was kind of like an emergency situation. I mean, the sink's all dirty, everything looks gross, I don't really have nice lighting or anything, but you can see the hole down there and the crack, and really, I was struggling because I needed to get this fixed immediately, so I thought this would actually end up being helpful for some people. So what I did is I cleaned it up really good with a Windex, and then I made sure it was very dry. And if you have, like, a lot of people have those small swimming pools, and you can get those pool patch repair kits, just like what you see on screen. Very common, you can get them almost anywhere, all the major stores will have something like this. And so it comes with this, this patching material. It's like some sort of a liquidy stuff, and I think it melts into the plastic and it bonds the patch on. So I just cut out a piece of patching material that you use for a pool. So I just spread that around there. Remember, very clean, get everything very clean and very dry. And then so I just spread that around and I put that little patch down there. Now I was thinking, like, well, this might last like a day, but this has been 2 months so far and there's no indication that it's gonna fail. So I thought this might be helpful for someone, because I'm not going to be replacing this. Well, I will replace the sink at some time, but not right now. I have a lot of work to do before I get into this. I just didn't want to spend the money to get something I didn't want, just to, use as a fill-in. So anyways, I tried out this patch, and I was really, really surprised that it's stayed on. It's still working. I do keep a bucket under there just in case, but it's never leaked. And there's always water laying in there now, so yeah, it's pretty solid. I know it's kind of like it's not ideal. It's not something anyone that's a pro looking at this will just say, like, what is that guy doing? But you know what, it worked for me in the situation at the time. So something to think about. You can make this happen too. You just need a cheap pool repair patch kit. I can't remember how much they were. I think maybe like $10 for the kit. But yeah, it actually worked out and it saved me a lot of hassle. So I'm just gonna go with it. It's been a couple months, as I said. You just apply the stuff, the glue that they give you, put the patch on, and I also put the dryer on there for like 10 minutes on very low, just a nice warm flow of air over there, and it's sealed down, and I could use it. I think it was within overall maybe like in 30 minutes. And I don't know. I know it's not the best video quality. I had no intention of posting this actually, but then I got to thinking, this actually might help someone who, needs some sort of a temporary repair. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe, come back for more, and just a reminder, click on the bell for notifications, especially if you leave comments, then I can get back to you easier. So yeah, please like and subscribe. Thank you very much.